Some mornings the water is flat and the light is low and you don't wait for anyone. This is the Lekker 38, a boat built to be driven. Born in Amsterdam, built for the world. Hand-welded aluminium, shaped plate by plate in the Netherlands. Lekker doesn't believe in captains, they believe in the person at the helm. And that person is you. Twin outboards wake up and the foredeck lifts. You clear the inlet before the wind finds it, and the open water opens up. From the Florida coast to the Bahamas, the horizon is just where you start. The cushions warm in the sun. The cockpit wraps around you. Step forward to the foredeck and stretch out. Drop anchor off a quiet sandbar, and the whole day slows down to your pace. Run across to turquoise water and raft up with friends. Music carries over the cove. The hardtop keeps the sun off when you want the shade, and when the coast turns golden, you point the foredeck toward the Côte d'Azur and keep going. Below deck, there is a berth and a washroom, enough to stretch a weekend into a week. But this was never about the cabin. It is about the run out, the swim, the long, slow ride home with salt on your skin. A brand new Lekker arriving this summer, and it is yours to drive. For full details and availability, visit yachtspecsdirect.com. I'm Kaya from Minted Yachts. For additional information, feel free to email me at info@mintedyyachts.com or hit us up at yachtspecsdirect.com. New to yachting? Then grab our free buyer's guide at yachtbuying101.com and find your water.